filled with shit for the strong-willed. When the world gives you a raw deal, set you off till you scream, piss off, screw you. When it talks to you like you don't belong, it tells you you're in the wrong field. When something's in your mitochondrial, cause it latched on to you like knock, knock, let the devil in, malevolent as I've ever been. Head is spinning, this medicine screaming, dick, 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 let us in. It, dick, dick, like a solid ball, let your Allen Poe. Bedridden, should've been dead a long time ago. Liquid Tylenol, gelatin, think my skeletons melting. Wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant. Manure, hell, I make a lure, screw it to hell with it. I went through hell with accelerants and blew up my soul again. Volkswagen, tailspin. It matches my pale skin, Madeline went from Hellman's and being rail thin, flamfit, scribbles and Rev Olympics, 37 freak Nick, how can I be down me in Lazar in Florida, whose room slept on the Florida motel then. Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got it stamped like a postcard, word to mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care, I barely can wait to hit them with the stare in the face, square in the face, this fucking world better prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my I got that Venom, not going Venom, never gonna show up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, quick when they get beat with the I got that Venom, not going Venom, never gonna show up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, quick when they get beat with the I said knock, knock, let the devil in, shotgun, pick ballots in the felt pin, fuck around and catch a hot one, it's evident I'm not done, big venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them, held against you, feel like a hubcap, mud flat, beat strangler, attack, so this ain't gonna feel like a love tap, eat painkiller pills for the blood track, like what's her name to the wheel, then a cup patch, through the car in the reverse, the Indian, the crashing India, the back, it just mangled, steal my Mustang, Jeep Wrangler grill with a fun smash, much as my rear fender assassin, Slim be a combination of an action from a Gandhi and Gandhi. Translation, I will probably kill us both when I end up back in India. You ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's happening.